Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm good. Did you see my video?
Yeah, I did. That was super cool to see
Great.
like the farm and you picking the tea leaves.
It was so fun.
Yeah, that was really neat. I was
Good.
surprised that it was, in the shade, not
Yep.
like in natural sunlight.
Mhm.
Okay, so thank you very much. I understand a lot more now. But about like what should I do with it? So I mean, I know I should make tea. But I mean, what type of tea, and can I use milk, or is there any rules?
I want to know, how do you make a tea?
Normally I just, add hot water and
Yeah.
then wait and then add milk.
Oh, okay. So I can tell you how to make a matcha too.
Okay.
And also, what about the matcha latte?
Oh, that'd be great. I love
Oh.
latte.
Good. So I can teach you about it.
Cool.
Oh, and also the how much was the matcha?
I mean, it was, I think, 1,000 yen
Okay,
for
so average.
a small bag.
Or a little like
a little
middle,
cheap.
middle one?
Yeah, little cheap.
Yeah, cheap. Cheapest one is about like probably like 300 yen to 400 yen.
Oh, okay.
So the middle one is perfect green color. It's a little darker green color.
Okay.
Yeah. High quality one is a very dark green color, which is very flavorful and also rich flavor too.
Okay, so it's a rich, strong flavor
Yep,
with
yep.
the good stuff, and it's a really dark green.
Yep.
Okay. But now that I bought it, I mean, I'm gonna open it soon.
Yeah.
Where should I put it, in the fridge, the freezer,
Oh,
the cupboard? What do you think I should do with it?
Freezer is a better choice.
Oh, the freezer.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's easy. Okay, so you're gonna teach me about how to make like a latte, matcha latte, and I'll keep it in the freezer after that. Okay, cool.
And if you also if you make matcha sweets or use matcha cooking, I can tell you that too.
Oh, yeah, I was wondering about that. Okay, let's do that after we learn how to make a latte.
Yep. Yeah. Sounds good.
Sounds good. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's make a matcha latte. This time I prep regular cow milk and soy milk and almond milk. Good news, there are only 3 ingredients: matcha powder, water, and milk. Nice and simple. This is how I make matcha usually. Uses a bamboo tea whisk called chasen and a tea bowl called chawan. First, put the 2 grams or about a teaspoon of matcha powder into a bowl. And add about 100 ml of the hot water. For the water, if you don't want it to be too hot, so shoot for something around 80 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, just wait a couple minutes after it stops boiling before making the tea. Next, use the whisk to whip the mixture until it is nice and frothy. The more tea foam, the better. Now that we have a nice and foamy matcha tea, if you don't have a bamboo tea whisk and tea bowl, you can use a typical metal whisk and any bowl or wide mouth teacup. It'll still taste delicious. Using a strainer to put the 2 grams or about a teaspoon of a matcha powder into a bowl. And then add about 100 ml of the hot water. And then, this time, use the metal whisk to whip the mixture until it is nice and frothy. It's same as before. Okay, now we have both nice and foamy matcha tea. We need to add hot foamed milk. There are many ways to make it. Here, I am using plastic shaker type foam maker. For this one, you just add some warm milk. Not too hot milk. Then shake, shake, shake. For serving, you can make things pretty by choosing a most beautiful cup. Just carefully add the formed matcha tea and then the foam. And done! Yay! Next is ice matcha latte. Put the ice in the glass. For the milk, you can choose any type you like. Regular cow milk, soy milk, almond milk, anything okay. And then just carefully add the formed matcha tea and done! Wow, this is so easy to make it. If you carefully adding matcha tea, you can make a perfect 2 layers of matcha latte. If it stands out well, don't forget to take a quick picture and to share in the comments below. Or tag nkitchen on Instagram or Twitter. I hope you enjoyed this delicious matcha latte recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye!